Aloha, my name is Nicole Laeha and I'm from Kailua Intermediate School. I've been teaching here for 10 years, so I call this campus and community my home. I am the 2025 Kailua-Kalaheo Complex Area Teacher of the Year. I teach computer science and engineering elective courses during the school day, and in the past, I coordinated the Drone Racing Club and the Girls Who Code Club, and I currently oversee the esports team. Coming out of the virtual environment of the COVID pandemic, we really wanted to reintegrate students with each other, back into the community, and so we began developing after-school clubs. This would help foster a sense of belonging for them, a place where they felt safe, and a space where they could connect with other students their age who had similar interests, hobbies, and passions, so that they could make possibly lifelong friends. We know that there are some keiki, especially adolescents, who gravitate towards not making positive choices after school. And so we wanted to provide them a safe space and safe opportunities to make those positive choices that we want them to make. So in order to make these safe spaces and opportunities after school, you can start organizing clubs for students to participate in based on their interests. There's a 5-step system that I've used to connect with the kids and keep these clubs really like student-centered based on their student interest. And you really have to stay flexible because that might change year by year based on the demographic that you have or just what's trending in the community at the time. Step 1 is to cultivate student connections. The best way to do this is the beginning of the year when you're already greeting and meeting your new students, building community, and getting to know each other. And I think one of the best ways to get to know your students is just to talk story. Wherever you and whenever you can start gathering their interests and learning about what their passions are, what their hobbies are, what they like to do after school, or what they want to start doing after school. Step 2 is to prioritize student-led initiatives. This is really important because you really want to build the club around what the students want, and you even want the students to lead the direction of the club and what they want out of the club. In the past, we've had clubs such as running club, weightlifting, reading, gardening, culture club. We even just started a wrestling club this past year. And sometimes it takes teachers to step out of their comfort zone to learn about the club or what the students are interested in. For example, I have a really nostalgic connection with gaming because I used to love playing Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego or Oregon Trail on my computer. But I'm not really a gamer in this day and age. So I really had to connect with the students and start learning about the gaming world and what game titles they're really interested in, like Fortnite or Rocket League or League of Legends. Step 3 is to secure a club leader. Once you find the club interest, any responsible adult who is connected to the school can run the club. You don't have to be an avid runner to run the running club. As long as you care about the keiki, you can run the club. Step 4 is to leverage existing resources. Look at what you have and start there. When I started my esports team 3 years ago, we were using 16-year-old office computers that we found in the e-waste. Our tech support helped install new graphics cards, and we were able to win 3rd place in Rocket League using those. So you really don't need fancy equipment just to start. Step 5 is to build a support network. I believe that it is everybody's kuleana in the community to help raise our keiki. So don't be afraid to ask friends for help, or parents, or friends of friends, or anybody you know in the community who might be of value to your school. Make your club visible, put it out there what you need. Get creative, think outside of the box, and utilize the people that you know and what they have to offer to your school. This is going to be really important during the school year when you as a teacher might be feeling overwhelmed and you need more help. So getting the help from the beginning is going to help your club stay sustainable throughout the entire school year, and it will help you maintain your club year after year. Resulting from this 5-step system, the clubs that I've been a part of in the past 3 years have supported over 150 students, and we're still growing. Just this past school year, our after-school clubs in general as a whole have been able to support 200 students. By following this system, our school has been able to support over 25% of our student population. We're so proud of our school for offering all of these clubs and opportunities for our kids to come and build a sense of belonging and find a safe space in our school. My advice is to reach out to your administrators for support with your clubs. They can help you with issues such as funding or any other obstacles you might run into along the way. I want to give a big mahalo to my principals, Principal Laboy and Principal Maera, for helping me to champion this program and these clubs at our school. Everyone a leader, everyone a learner. We is greater than me. Go Junior Surf Riders.